Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a pretty good amount of our add-ons work the same way with CF 2.0 installation. So I'm going to give you guys kind of a coverall here as to how that works. If you guys are seeing this video, then this is how you're going to set up this add-on for CF 2.0. So in CF 2.0, you will notice there is the way that we set up a lot of our add-ons is with the custom attributes. So we're going to go into, for this particular add-on, you might go into the button or the checkout element or the headline element, whatever it is that you're working with. What I want you to do is use the same CSS titles that you would have previously used from the previous steps in CF 1.0. So let's look over here. So if you're looking at, for example, this is the Facebook Fire event add-on, right? So what we're going to look at, we're going to go through this and set it up just like it shows here. We're going to go through the demo, creating your pages and installing everything. The one thing that we're not going to do is set up a CSS title like we used to in CF 1.0. So everything up to here is the same though. So what we're going to do, let's say where it says CSS title for the button action, it says it needs to be cf-fb-fire-lead in order for that to work, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that out and I'm going to show you how that works inside of CF 2.0. It's going to go the same way with any other add-on, which is set up similar to CF 1.0. So again, if you're seeing this video, set the add-on, whatever add-on it is that you're looking at, we're going to set it up like this. So go into the button, whatever it is that you need to go into, and you're going to go into the advanced tab. Okay, we're going to add a custom attribute. Okay, what we're going to be looking at here is the data title. We want the data title to be a new custom attribute. So name it data-title, and then the value needs to be that CSS title that's been used previously inside of this add-on. Okay, so instead of changing the CSS title, we're just adding a custom attribute. In this particular instance, it was going to be cf-fb-fire-lead because that's what our previous CSS title was for the Facebook Fire event. Okay, once we've done that, we hit save, and that's all there is to it. Let's do another example. If you were doing the Facebook, or if you were doing the URL keyword replacer, you would come in here to the heading, and you would change it out like this. So you're going to go again into the advanced settings, and you would go to the custom attributes. So inside of the custom attributes, what we want to see here is the add a custom attribute, and what you're going to add in again is data-title, and the same CSS title that you would have used inside of 1.0 would be cf-url-keyword-replacer. Of course, go back through, watch the previous instructions so you see how to set up the rest of the add-on. This is just a replacement for the CSS titles where you would normally do that, okay? So if you're watching this video, that's how you set these types of add-ons up. Is pretty much the same way. Just don't set up the CSS title. It won't do anything. But set up a custom attribute instead. As we just showed, it's always going to be the data-title equals cf-url keyword replacer. Okay. In some instances, it will also work to do the cf, like whatever the CSS title is and the value to equal true. We will let you know in the written instructions if it needs to be set up that way. But for now, the best way that you can do this is to do data-title equals that CSS title that's been previously published. Okay. If you have any questions, let us know in support@cfprotools.com, and we'll do our best to assist and help you guys out. Okay. Thank you very much, and have a good day.